Would you like to learn how to use AI to write your papers and avoid AI detection? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that ethically. This isn't about copying your homework off someone or letting AI do the thinking for you. It's about using AI as a tool to help you research faster, organize better, generate examples, and write in your own voice. By the end of this, you'll know how to use AI safely, make it sound like you, and stay completely plagiarism-free and avoid those AI detectors. Alright, let's dive in. So you're going to start by uploading a few examples of your past work, old essays, discussion posts, even rough drafts. These represent your writing DNA. Then, let's take it one step further. Create a project in ChatGPT. Projects let you keep everything organized for one class or subject. So let's say for Psychology 201, you could upload all of your psych papers, notes, and references into that project. You can even use other class essays. It still gives your example writing. Now, when you ask ChatGPT to write you something new, it already understands your tone, structure, and pacing. You can literally say, use my uploaded essays in this project to match my writing style while drafting this new paper, and it'll give you also an example, and you can edit that. That's like giving AI the mini writing course about you. That way, every time you start a new paper, AI is already warmed up to your voice and not some generic academic tone, which is most likely going to get flagged. Next, forget about Googling random blogs or trusting ChatGPT's fake Harvard Journal of Sandwich Science. These links never work, let's be honest, and that's going to get you flagged. Use perplexity.ai instead. It's like ChatGPT, but with receipts, real sources, working links, and verified research. So you'll type in your topic, for example, the impact of social media on student productivity. And Perplexity will summarize research, cite it properly, and link to real articles you can actually use in your works cited page. This saves you time, keeps your paper accurate, and helps you decide which direction to take before you even start writing. And then you'll transition to ChatGPT for the actual writing. Now that you've got your research and style locked in, it's time to write. So you'll ask ChatGPT, list bullet points about whatever your subject, then write a short sample essay using those bullet points. You'll get a decent first draft, but don't stop there. Be the editor. You'll want to delete filler, add your own ideas and examples, and if it sounds too formal, say, lower the reading level by 1 grade. Make it sound more like me. You're shaping the AI's draft into your very own voice. By the end, it's not an AI paper, it's your paper. Now, the reason this beats AI detectors is because AI detectors look for patterns, perfectly structured, overly polished writing with no human messiness. But your edits, your phrasing, and your real sources and examples, those are your human fingerprints that will help guide it. You're not tricking detectors, you're just making your paper authentic. Even if it is generated by AI, it's under your command. That's why it's a tool. If your paper is about writing something about happening now, like tech news, politics, current events, then instead of Perplexity, you're going to want to use Grok. It pulls information from live data on Twitter, or X, so your research is actually current. AI shouldn't write your paper for you, it should make you a better writer, and just write in the direction you're wanting it to go. When you mix your own writing style, verified sources, thoughtful editing, you're creating something no detector can flag, because it's genuinely you. Write smarter, not sketchier. Now, if you enjoyed the video or you thought this was helpful, hit that like and subscribe button, it'll help me. And stay tuned because I'll be having more content. Take care.